Welcome to the vibrant world of one of nature's most iconic birds, the flamingo. Today, we're diving into the fascinating life of these stunning pink creatures. Flamingos are renowned for their striking pink feathers, long legs, and distinctive curved beaks. Found in warm, watery regions around the world, these birds are a true marvel of the avian world. One of the most fascinating aspects of flamingos is their vibrant pink color. But did you know they aren't born this way? Flamingos are actually born with gray feathers. Their pink hue comes from carotenoid pigments found in the algae and crustaceans they eat. The more carotenoid-rich food they consume, the brighter their feathers become. This diet is essential not just for their color, but also for their overall health. Flamingos are highly social birds, often found in large flocks that can number in the thousands. These flocks provide safety in numbers, as well as opportunities for social interaction and mating. During the breeding season, flamingos perform elaborate group dances to attract mates. These synchronized movements showcase their grace and coordination, essential for forming strong pair bonds. Flamingos have unique adaptations that allow them to thrive in their watery habitats. Their specially adapted beaks are used for filter feeding. By sweeping their heads side to side in the water, they filter out tiny organisms such as algae, small fish, and crustaceans. Flamingos are found in diverse habitats across the globe, from the salt flats of Africa to the lakes of South America and the Caribbean. Each species of flamingo has adapted to its specific environment, but all share a preference for shallow, alkaline, or saline waters. Despite their widespread range, flamingos face numerous threats, including habitat loss, pollution, and climate change. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these iconic birds and their habitats. Organizations around the world are working tirelessly to ensure flamingos have a future. By protecting their habitats and raising awareness, we can help preserve these beautiful birds for generations to come. Flamingos are more than just a pretty sight. They are a testament to the beauty and diversity of the natural world. From their stunning coloration to their social behaviors, these birds captivate and inspire us. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of flamingos. If you enjoyed learning about these amazing birds, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more wildlife wonders. See you next time.